Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're having an issue with the Microsoft Store error code 0xC002001B on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. That something is wrong during an installation or updating of an application or game through the Microsoft Store. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in CMD, best match, should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. First thing I would do is type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in NETSH space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset. Again, exactly how you see it on my screen. Hit enter. It should say successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Next command I want you to type in is SFC followed by space /scan out. Scan out should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on the keyboard and give this some time to run. Okay, so you can see Windows Resource Protection found corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And now hopefully the problem has been resolved. One other thing we can attempt here would be to reset the Microsoft Store. So open up the search menu, type in WS Reset, exactly how you see it on my screen, so WS Reset, and go ahead and select the best match here, and give it a moment here. And then you may have to sign back into the Microsoft Store, but other than that, you should be good to go once it relaunches here, and hopefully the problem has been resolved. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.